People of YouTube, we are back. Another week, another Japanese classic. This little girl right here, Mazda MK1 MX5. Not too bad. I'm going to show you around the car. More of a resto on this one, a few nice bits going on. Yeah, we're going to get it back on the road. She was destined for the scrapyard. Chap had it up for sale for a while, he's going to scrap it. So yeah, went and picked it up, got a load of bits, and here we go. Here she is, MK1 MX5, 1.6, Jap import, slip diff from factory, 5-speed box, twin overhead cam. You cannot get more car for the money. If you get past the hairdresser jokes, these things are absolutely wicked cars. Those of you that are watching this that have had them will get the hype. Yeah, most people are just sheep. They go, oh, hairdresser, oh, it's gay. They don't get it. Pop-up lights, rear wheel drive. This one's not too bad. For a field build first, I've actually bought something with no rust on it. Seals are solid all the way along. Nothing on the chassis leg. Underneath's actually pretty clean. It's just cosmetically tired. Obviously it's got little biscuit wheels, little space savers on the back, daisies on the front. It's all just a bit haggard. A few trims hanging off. Window reg broke. That's just held up with tape. Needs a new reg. Interior just needs to tidy up. Handle putting back on, and steering wheel's not on straight, just little bits and bobs. But as MX5s go, this one's not too bad. The last one I've done on the channel, if you haven't seen that, go and check that one out. That one was far worse than this one. There's plenty of life left in this old girl. Got this big fart can on the back. Might leave that on, actually sounds alright. But yeah, full resto. Got a nice set of dishy wheels, set of coilovers, a few nice bits for the interior. Got new clutch going in, cam belt, water pump, full service, paint job, and a test drive at the end. Want to see this old girl back on the road, stick it on full screen, and I'll see you at the end.
Am I supposed to let you go? How am I supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my life. Supposed to let you go.
am I supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted
People of YouTube, we are done. We are at the undisclosed location and it is looking $1 million. Brown on white, tanned interior, absolutely stunning. Got these really nice LED halo lights at the front, got the indicators built in there. Nice tidy little splitter kit and it's brown on white. Lovely classic combination. Interior's come up really nice. Give it all a good clean. Tanned interior, tanned dash and carpet, the black seats and the Himalayan headliner. Wooden gear stick in the middle, just a really, really nice touch. As I said, this one was actually quite clean when it turned up. Wasn't any rust on it. This was more of just like a cosmetic touch up. Clutch, cam belt, water pump service, all of that. And for the money, you're not going to get a better car. Mechanically sound, no rust. Absolutely gorgeous. Drives really nice. Sounds amazing. Well then guys, one more build all done. Absolutely stunning bit of kit. Yeah, if you like the video, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so you have a chance to win at the 10k giveaway. Going to be a bike or a cash prize or maybe even a car like this completely free of charge. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.